How to insert image into a shape in Google Slides. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be diving into the details of how you can insert an image into a shape in Google Slides. So the first step, of course, it would be to open the presentation um, where you would like to insert an image into a shape. So once you have the presentation, by moving to the left side, you can see the number of slides you have. So you can just select the particular location where you want the image to be. So for me, I'll be making use of this particular slide, which is the fifth slide in my presentation. And so once you can see that, next step is to move to the top part of the screen, the left side to be precise, where you can see some tabs such as File, Edit, View, Insert, Format, Slide, Arrange, Tools, Extensions, Help. So just go ahead and click on insert. So by clicking on insert, you can see image. So go ahead and upload the image from your computer or search the web or select whichever image you would like to use. So for me, I would upload from my computer, and so I'll click on my pictures and I'll be selecting the image. So click open, and so you wait for the image to be added to the presentation. So once the image has been added into the presentation, the next thing to do is to move to the top part of the screen, just above the image, or where you can see options like reset image. Then you can see crop image and max image. So go ahead and click on max image. By clicking on max image, you will see different shapes that you can insert this image into, and to take the shape of the shape size and looks. So by clicking on shapes, you can see different shapes. You can see arrows, you can see colors, you can see equation. So for shapes, I'll just be selecting this particular shape, and as you can see, the image has taken the shape. So let's use something less familiar so that you can see it more vividly. All right, and so once this is done, the next step is to reset the image in a way that it would appear the right way into the shape. As you can see, you can just reset it into the shape this way, and there you have it. All right, you can now see that the image has taken the shape already. All right, so this is it. This is how you can insert an image into a shape in Google Slides. So thank you for watching and have a good day.